ended the week with a Friday rally as investors cheered a slew of upbeat earnings reports and key data that continued to show cooling inflation. The Dow gained 0.5%, the S&P 500 climbed nearly a full percent, and the Nasdaq soared 1.9%. A report from the Commerce Department showed the Federal Reserve's preferred inflation measure, the PCE price index, recorded its smallest annual gain in more than 2 years. The report came 2 days after Fed Chair Jerome Powell said that staff at the central bank was no longer forecasting a recession, but would also not rule out another rate hike. Gitu Sharma, founder and investment manager at Alpha's Future, says there's still a risk that inflation ticks up again, given high oil prices, home prices, and still high wages.
It's hard to say that whether we are completely out of the woods as far as inflation is concerned. And I think that's why Fed is also basically kicking the can down the road by not committing to what they're going to do in the upcoming Fed meetings.
In earnings news, shares of Procter & Gamble climbed 2.8% after the consumer giant beat analysts' estimates for quarterly sales. Ford shares shed 3.4%. After CEO Jim Farley outlined a change in the automaker's product strategy, slowing the ramp-up of money-losing electric vehicles. And shares of Roku soared more than 31% to close at their highest level in over a year after the streamer gave an upbeat quarterly revenue forecast.